Our equine production and management certificate is very unique. Number one, we're in the cutting horse capital of the world, and we have more horses right in this 4, 5, 6 county area than anywhere else in the United States, besides maybe Kentucky and the thoroughbred industry. We give our students basic skills to enter the job and do it in a one-year program. We feel like if we can teach the base skills, then they can get their foot in the door and go to working towards their goals a little quicker.
This program is really helping me out because it's teaching us about all the aspects of the industry: behavior, training, animal science, business management to have your own business.
So our equine program, we basically have 3 different components with it. Number one is the science part, which is more the actual physiology and anatomy of the horses. And then we have 2 courses that focus very in-depth on the business and the enterprise side of the industry. And then finally we have the hands-on component, and that's where we are today with these students working these foals in. Then in the spring they have an opportunity to go serve on internships at various places throughout here in the Metroplex and the central part of Texas, where they are better able to gain skills and experience, and usually it's a real smooth transition into the workforce after they complete the program.
So I joined the Equine Production and Management Certificate program mainly because of both the opportunities it gives you to work with weanlings like these, and also the internship opportunities to work at big ranches like the 4-6's ranch in Guthrie, Texas, or Bobby Cox's place out in Peaster. My dream job would have to be raising cutting horses and race-bred quarter horses. So this is also a really good door opener for that.
I joined the equine production and management classes just so I could get my foot in the door with local ranches around Stephenville and Weatherford. My dream job would be to own my own therapeutic place, to chiropract horses, swim them, and just making sure horses feel absolutely 100% in any event that they do.
Where people can stay close and go far.